Shalom and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you along my super easy Shabbat prep. My husband is away on Friday. He had some family get together. So I'm going to try to get done just what I really have to and try to enjoy and rest in the rest of the time. Okay, so I always start with a list of things I have to do. So I'm going to make rice. I'm going to make pargit, which is the chicken thighs. I'm going to make regular chicken. And of course, I'm going to do just laundry and regular tidying the house. That's always something that I do on Shabbos. We actually have chicken soup and chicken wings that my daughter loves that we made last week or even 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to take that out and then I have that ready. So that's one of the reasons that we have a super simple Shabbos this week. Okay, so I have those two. I bought some chicken thighs. You can see here the price. It's 70 shekels a kilo, about 1 kilo, so that's 76 shekels. And the regular chicken cocktail is cheaper. It's 50 shekels a kilo, which came out to about 60 shekels. But chicken thighs are just, extra yummy. So I decided to get both. And then we'll have extra food for the week. So rice, I like to add about 300 grams of rice. That way we just have a little bit extra for the week. I keep the recipe super simple. That's some garlic powder, paprika, some soy sauce, some Ceylon date syrup. A lot of people ask about this in the videos. Ceylon date syrup. It's 100% dates. Really works well for cooking. And we also have oatmeal with this and peanut butter. I love that. So I mix it up. And I put this in the fridge. While the chicken's getting ready, I'm going to do a load of dishes. I always make sure to have warm water in the morning, so I could always do dishes with warm water in the winter. So it feels so nice to have nice warm water to do the dishes. Now I have 20 minutes to have some coffee and a snack. I melt some dark chocolate and with some peanut butter and my homemade granola that has 0 sugar, and we love it so much. Every 2-3 weeks I make a full batch and then I just have it to go. So I'm going to add some of that. It's very important for me to relax also and to try to really enjoy Friday. It's also a day off here in Israel. So I try to prepare for Shabbat, but also really just enjoy my rest day. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, looks great. There we go. We have our chicken. We're ready. Okay, so I'm going to tidy this room.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And go deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops.
So I fold up each kit, and then when it's ready, I put it in the drawers.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And go deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No,
Skirts.
Cause I love you, baby.
Okay, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to do a load. Let's see. And then when it's finished, I'm just gonna put it right here in the dryer because it's been a bit rainy. Okay, so I did some tidying. I did the laundry. I just have to move it over to the dryer. And now I'm going to rest a bit. And then I'm going to do the rice and the chicken thighs together at the same time. I'm reading some parenting books on my Kindle. I see that when it comes to my kids' behaviors and they're helping around the house, I think that we could do much better. So I'm trying to learn how to make chores, how to set better boundaries. So I'm reading a few books about that. One and a half cups. So I do 300 and then another 150. Chicken thighs I took out from the fridge. Oh wow, it looks great. I have this amazing 32 centimeter pan, and it just makes it so much faster. So I'm so happy that I got that pan. Also, I got a 32 centimeter dairy pan for pancakes, and it's made my life so much easier when making pancakes. Okay, one. Okay, so I'm gonna wait now 5 minutes on this side. Okay, almost 5 minutes later. Perfect. Wow. Whoa. This looks amazing. Guys, does this look amazing or what? Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Second and final batch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 4 minutes to put the laundry in the dryer or tidy the house.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
Looks amazing. I'm going to wait a few minutes for the rice to be ready, and then I'm going to have an early lunch before the kids get home. Okay, fluff it up. I am super happy. The rice looks great, and I am going to have my early lunch soon.
Oh, are you? You're climbing? Oh my goodness. What? Camera? Otto, così. Mood. Making. Yummy. Uh-oh, what do we need? What do we need, Ami? Do you want some water? Where's your mind?
Shabbat is coming my way. Reconnect for just one day.